Squirrel's initial benefit is making knowledge clickable. Here, we use the dashboards to present the issues captured in the Odoo tickets in a number of ways. The dashboard responds to user clicks, drilling down to the precise set of filters desired. However, this surface-level data does not always tell the complete story. More details can be found in the resolution's free text fields, which are not as easily structured. For the proof of value with Pavlov, Squirrel piloted a tool that sends the resolutions from this selection to an LLM for deeper analysis, scanning through hundreds of free text fields to return a more complete understanding of the problem at hand. What would normally take hours is now completed in under a minute, allowing us to surface insights faster and enact resolutions sooner. Users can also bring their analytical questions directly to Squirrel Chat. The prompt shown here draws on information from two different datasets. What once required technically precise queries or navigation is now accessible through natural conversation. It's time for the wealth hidden in your data to be unlocked at the speed of your ideas, unconstrained by the need to speak your database's language. Squirrel Chat also comes equipped with a capability called Generative UI, which takes the statistics output and renders it as a clear, readable visualization on demand. Even if a particular chart does not exist on a pre-built dashboard, Squirrel Chat can generate it in real time to better illustrate the story your data is telling. We can use the Chat with Results feature to examine issues from particular locations. While the numbers tell one story, AI allows us to dive deeper into the data. Through this process, we are able to extract the actual issues directly from log notes. While the structured fields from Odoo provide a helpful starting point, the real substance resides in the log notes left by field agents. As with resolutions, these are not always recorded in a standardized way, so we leveraged LLM capabilities to detect and categorize the core issues within these tickets. The result is a far clearer breakdown of actual issues by location, available for both the Squirrel dashboard and Squirrel Chat to use. Some tickets reach a point where the initial assignee cannot proceed and must transfer or escalate the case to another department, each of which represents a significant time delay in resolving the core issue. The notes for these escalation events are often left by field agents in the free text fields on the ticket. This information is left in a non-standard way. AI is particularly valuable here, bringing structure and consistency to what would otherwise be difficult to analyze at scale. We call these escalation events dispositions. For this location, we ask Squirrel to break down the disposition events at a particular site. Identifying these patterns helps us determine whether the problems could be a unique isolated issue at the location, a recurring pattern with a certain piece of equipment, or an underlying operational gap that can be solved with campaigns like improved education. Squirrel has historically been used to surface insights from unstructured data, such as long-form documents and contracts. Critical details are often buried deep within pages of dense contractual language. What we are seeing here is a document analyzer that reads through a contract and brings us key information such as total contract value and ARR. Even where these figures depend on the variable rates and ramp-up schedules, this information does not need a human reader, but is available to us at a glance. While glancing at a single document is valuable, the real power emerges when this approach is applied at scale across all documents ingested within the platform. Squirrel captures these vital details automatically during ingestion, transforming a sprawling library of contracts into a standardized, structured dataset. Critical knowledge across the entire dataset becomes immediately readable and actionable, and even more conducive to AI chat conversations.